Now we move to stanza number 13 and 14 of the present poem, The Tale of Custard the Dragon. But presently up spoke little dog Mustard. Now Mustard spoke. I would have been twice as brave if I had not been flustered. Flustered here means upset or confused. Now this is the argument. This is the argument presented by Mustard, the dog, little dog, that if I had not been flustered or confused, then I would have been twice as brave. And up spoke Ink, and up spoke Blink also. We would have been 3 times as brave, we think. And Custard said, I quite agree that everybody is braver than me. So in stanza number 13, we have seen the nature of Custard. Custard was of humble nature. He accepted the arguments presented by Mustard, Ink and Blink. He believed that, he thought that, and he agreed that everybody is braver than me, means everybody is braver than Custard. Okay, now come to stanza number 14. Belinda still lives in her little white house with her little black kitten, her little grey mouse, and her little yellow dog, and her little red wagon, and her Trulio little pet dragon. Belinda is as brave as a barrel full of beers. Ink and Blink chase lions down the stairs. Mustard is as brave as a tiger in a rage, but Custard keeps crying for a nice safe cage. Again you see the same activity is described by the poet in the last stanza, that is 14. So स्टेंजा नंबर 13 में हमने देखा कि जितने भी अन्य पेट्स थे, मस्टर्ड है, इसके बाद इंक, ब्लिंक, सब ने ये कहा कि वो ज़्यादा बलशाली हैं किससे, कस्टर्ड से। मस्टर्ड ने कहा कि वो ज़्यादा बलशाली, उनसे दुगना ज़्यादा शक्तिशाली है किससे, कस्टर्ड से, अगर वो कंफ्यूज नहीं होता तो। इंक और ब्लिंक भी बोले हम लोग 3 टाइम्स हम क्या होते, ब्रेव होते किससे, कस्टर्ड से। कस्टर्ड ने कहा ठीक है, वो एग्री करता है कि हाँ तुम ही लोग क्या हो, मुझसे ज़्यादा ब्रेवर हो, शक्तिशाली हो। इसके बाद फिर बेलिंडा जो है अपने लिटिल वाइट हाउस में रहती है, उसके साथ लिटिल ब्लैक किटन, लिटिल ग्रे माउस, लिटिल येलो डॉग, लिटिल रेड वैगन और लास्टली पेट ड्रैगन एक साथ रहते हैं। बेलिंडा उतनी बहादुर है जितना कि बैरल फुल ऑफ बियर्स। इंक और ब्लिंक लायंस को चेज कर सकते हैं, और मस्टर्ड उतना ब्रेव है जितना कि टाइगर इन रेज। मस्टर्ड इज एज ब्रेव एज ए टाइगर इन अ केज, और कस्टर्ड एज according to his nature, Custard likes to be in safe cage. So that is the nature of Custard. So in this poem we have noticed that basically it is a poem that contains a story, and we have seen how many characters are present here, how they behaved, and especially what is the nature of Custard the dragon we have seen. Because what is the title of the poem? The Tale of Custard the Dragon. So the whole poem revolves around the courage of Custard the dragon, the humble nature of Custard the dragon. So we can say that Custard is a brave creature. Custard is a courageous creature. Custard is of humble nature. So this is the 3 key points that is related to Custard the dragon, that describes the quality of a dragon. Okay, so that is all from this poem.